Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very quick sofrito, and I'm making this sofrito for the ones that are not able to find the traditional sweet little peppers and maybe the cilantro, maybe the culantro that we put in it. So I'm going to keep today's recipe very simple. Still going to taste the same. It's still going to taste delicious. I'm going to be making the sofrito because I am going to be making a jerk pernil tutorial next. So I said, why not share the simple recipe that I'm about to make when it comes to the sofrito. In place of those sweet peppers that some of you may not be able to find, whether because you don't have either the farmers market by you or the traditional Latin supermarkets or even Chinese supermarkets. So if not, you can always find these. You can get these in ShopRite, but I suggest you get them at a farmers market because they're a lot cheaper. This whole bag here was $1.99. I'm gonna cut them and add them because I wanted to show you exactly what it was that was in the bag. So these are the peppers that we're gonna be throwing in our blender, as well as the cilantro and the onion, the cebolla. So I used 3 onions, I used a whole bag of peppers, and 3 bundles of cilantro. Each cilantro bundle was $1, just to give you an idea of how much was in a bundle. So 3 heads of garlic, olive oil. You can use regular cooking oil or you can use water, but I prefer the olive oil. Now, if you want to add some extra green peppers or red peppers, you can go right ahead and do that. This sofrito be good with rice for your marinating your meats, your beans, lo que sea. It's a good marinade. So it's going to make a lot. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by adding 1 cup of olive oil, but I'm not going to add the whole thing right away. Slowly I'll add it to the sofrito mixture. And it doesn't matter what order you add the sofrito, just add it in there. It's all gonna taste the same, it's all gonna blend. And some more. And now when I do it, I use the pause button. And once you see that it starts to go down, just keep adding more. I'm gonna add the rest of the oil. Okay, so I'm gonna put my sofrito in this container. So this is how much sofrito I made. This is a good amount, so I'll have enough to season my jerk pernil, as well as I'm gonna make, throughout the week. Normally something like this much last me, I want to say maybe 2 weeks, but it depends like how much rice and beans, how much I use it, for marinade, whether it's chicken, pork, lo que sea. So yeah, even for soup, guys, this is good. And if you wanted to add a little ginger to it, you can. You won't even taste it, but ginger and turmeric is really good for your health, especially now with the cold weather, your immune system. So even if you put a little bit in here, trust me, you're not going to taste it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any other videos that you would like, let me know. I am going to be recreating a lot of videos. If you have any favorite videos that you'd like me to recreate, let me know, because the old ones will get deleted. With that said, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, showing me love. Make sure that you hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know in comments what's your favorite ingredients to add in your sofrito, because we all make it different. So let me know. till the next videos. God bless. Bye-bye.